Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your files, backup now with Time Machine or a clone. Next, disconnect all external displays and peripherals so you can isolate the internal screen as the issue source. Once done, check display settings, reduce brightness, toggle True Tone and Night Shift off, then perform a safe mode boot to see if the flicker persists. These steps narrow software versus hardware causes quickly, so you can act with confidence without wasting time on unnecessary diagnostics. You now run deeper software diagnostics. Reset the SMC and NVRAM or PRAM using the exact key sequence for your MacBook Pro model, because these control power and display state. After that, update Mac OS fully and apply any combo or firmware updates. Outdated drivers can create refresh conflicts. Then create and log into a fresh user account to confirm whether a profile setting or login item causes flicker. Make sure to reboot between steps, so each change takes effect, and you proceed to hardware checks. Power off and inspect the display hinge and cable area for visible wear or loose connectors, since repeated opening can fray the cable and cause intermittent flicker. Test with an external monitor to confirm GPU versus panel failure, and run Apple Diagnostics. Hold D at boot to capture hardware error codes. If the flicker continues after reseating cables and firmware updates, schedule a repair with Apple or an authorized technician. One troubleshooting tip: document symptoms and error codes to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.